If you are running a building material supplier business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for building material supplier business. Now managing new orders, sharing delivery status and providing them product information manually can take a lot of time. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So welcome to my screen everyone. As you can see, this is the bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow without any coding knowledge. It helps automate my building material supplier business by handling tasks like placing a new order for customers, sharing delivery status, providing product information such as price list and showing stock availability. Now before I show you how to build this bot, let me quickly show you how it actually works on real time. For that, I simply go to my WhatsApp screen. I have already connected this number to my chatbot. Now I will just send a simple hi and let's see what happens. And as you can see, our chatbot quickly replies with this welcome message. Hello, welcome to Build Smart Supplies, your one-stop shop for building materials. How can I help you today? And right below that, you can see 3 quick reply buttons: new order, delivery status, and product info. I'll go ahead and tap on new order. And as you can see, it will show me a full building materials product list like basic construction, cement, steel and metal, tiles and flooring, plumbing and sanitary, electrical, paints and chemical and others. Now user just need to type the products that they want. For example, I typed cement and paint and then I'll go ahead and tap on this send button. Now it is asking me for product quantity. Now I will share the quantity. Now it is asking me for delivery address. And as you can see, I've got a customized confirmation message. Here you can see order summary, product cement paint, quantity 100 bags of cement, 2 boxes of paint and address Bhopal. And if I will select this edit button, I can edit my details once again. And if I select this button, confirm, my order is going to be confirmed. And here you will see another quick reply button to back to menu. By using this chatbot, I can check delivery status, product info, etc. So as you can see, this is how our chatbot works. If you also want to build this WhatsApp chatbot for your business step by step, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you will notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. you'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called Add Flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before start creating our chatbot, let's change the name first. As you can see, I've changed my flow name. On the left side, you will see two options, messages and actions. These are the nodes we use to build our chatbot flow. This node here is the starting point. It's where the chatbot gets triggered and send a message to the user. Here you will see few options like keyword, enter regex, and choose template. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With the choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved template. In the regex section, we will add universal regex that can detect any pattern and respond to the user accordingly. If you want to enable case sensitivity in regex, you can do that from this option right here. Now we will create our first message, which will be a welcome message. This message will be shown to the user on the WhatsApp after the regex trigger is activated. So let's get started. So you need to just drag and drop this dot over here like this. And you will see few options like text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, single AI message, and template. I'm going to select text plus button. Now I will create a welcome message. So this is our welcome message. Now I will create a quick reply buttons for the user. One for new orders, one for delivery status, and one for product info. Now I will create responses for these quick reply buttons. Let's start with the new order. If the user selects this, they will receive a product list. The user can then type the product name and we will store this information. To do this, we will go to the actions section. This caution node will restore the user response in a contact custom field. If you want to create contact custom field, then you can check out the description box. Now I will create a caution and the product list. As you can see, I mentioned all the products and the caution, which is please enter the product name like cement safety gears. Now I will select contact custom field as building materials product. Now I will select format as any. Now I will connect this new order node to this caution node. Now let's create further responses. Now I will ask two more caution to the user for the quantity and a location. For that, I will create this caution node and I will just simply copy this node like this. Now I will enter a message, select contact custom field and format as any. Now I will do the same for this caution node as well. Asking for delivery address, select custom field as customer location and format as any. Now I will create a confirmation message. For that, you need to just drag this node like this. And when you drop, you will get few options again like text plus button, media, etc. Now I will select text plus button and entering a confirmation message. We use the asterisk symbol to make text bold. Just place the text between two asterisks. And we use $sign to display the value of a specific contact custom field. As you can see, I've added a product and $sign and building material product like this. Now I will create three buttons, one to confirm the order, one to cancel the order, and one to edit the order. Before proceeding further, don't forget to add these node to the previous node like this. Now I will create a response for this confirm button. Simply drag and drop like this, select text plus button, and I've added a order confirmed button. Now I will connect this added button to our first message like this, where the user can see the whole list and edit their preferences according to them. Now I will edit this cancel button to our main menu like this. Now I will create a response for this delivery status button. For this, I will just drag this ask button like this and create a message which is asking for their order ID. Now I will select contact custom field as product order ID and select format as any. Now I will connect this node over here like this. Now I will create a final response for this button. As you can see, I've entered a request received. We will provide this information in few minutes. Now I will create a response for this product info button. For this, I just need to drag this option like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message, add 3 more buttons, one for price list, one for available stock, and one for other customer queries. Now I will create 3 ask question node like this and connect to the relevant response like this, available stock, other, like this. Now I will create a message, now for available stock, now for other queries. Now instead of creating a new node, I will connect these 3 question nodes to this confirmation message like this, and the third one. Now I simply go ahead and save this flow. So that's how you can create this fully functional WhatsApp chatbot. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbots for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.